Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to connect Apple Watch to Strava app. Now step 1 is just open the application of Strava in your mobile phone and let it load. And from here you can just log in with your account if you have an account, or you can just click on join free and make sure to log in with your Gmail or Apple account and just continue it. So let me just make an account or sign up. And once your sign up process is completed, so you will be redirected to the home page of Strava application. As you can see, the home section is loading. So wait for it, and now as you can see, like, it has been at the home page of the Strava app. Now from here what you can do is just click on the groups button, which is like along with the bottom section groups. Click here groups, and from here just click on the settings button, which is on the upper right corner. Click on settings, and once you're into the settings, as you can see, like account, here's my account information, like your subscription, gift, and the third option is connect an app or device. Just click on this option, which is connect an app or device. And once you click on these options, so now as you can see all the devices that are supported by the Strava application, so you can see all those applications or all those devices. So the first option is, as you can see, Apple Watch. So just click on Apple Watch, and once you click here you can just click on get started. And now as you can see, like, make sure to allow these permissions inside your app, like motion and fitness, allow it, and allow health and data, turn on the notification as well, and make sure that you have allowed all these stuff and sync with health as well. Just turn on health, click on allow, and finish. And now as you can see, setup complete. Strava for Apple Watch is ready to use. Just click on done, and Strava accounts are connected. So that is a simple and easy process. You can just click on subscribe, or you can just click on no thanks, that is your choice. So that is a simple and easy process. Make sure to follow all the steps, and you will be able to connect your Apple Watch with the Strava application. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.